Hi everyone, welcome to this session. So let's solve this very interesting interview question. So this is a MOS and capacitor based circuit. Here we have input. That input is nothing but a step of 0 to 5 volt. Okay, and the threshold voltage of the MOSFET is 1 volt. We are assuming that, and this capacitor actually initially charged at this, like with this polarity. Okay, so this capacitor is initially charged to 2 volt. Okay. What we need to plot? We need to plot what will be the V output. Okay, so we have to plot V output. So we'll be try to solve by intuition. Okay, not writing like much equations. Okay. Okay, so what will happen? So if the capacitor, the current through the capacitor is finite, so the capacitor will try to not try to, so it will hold its previous voltage across it, right? So the voltage was two, like the plus here and minus that. That means this voltage minus that voltage will be 2 volt, right? If there is a finite current through the capacitor. So it is a MOS based circuit. So the in this case the current cannot be infinite, right? So ID is always finite, okay? Because this MOS can maximum it can be short circuit, right? And it can be short circuit to the ground like this, right? So now what do you think? What will be the current? It is purely one if it is ideal then, right? But what we will try to do, we will try to, there is a finite R1. Okay, understood? So when it is in the triode region on, then it has a finite resistance, it is greater 0. Okay, so that we can tell it will be like there will be no not such impulsive current through the device, through the cap and through the MOS as well. Okay, because there is no path, no current can go through. The current will be same for the capacitor current. Actually the capacitor current will be same as the MOS current. Okay, because again there is no current through the gate. Okay, we are assuming that. Okay, so this is the thing. So when your MOS will be turned on, it will provide a finite impedance. Okay, that is like it is greater than 0 impedance. Okay, and when it is turned off, your MOSFET is when it is turned off, so we are assuming it is a very high impedance that is going to be infinity. Okay, that we can assume. Okay, yeah. So now, so this is all the things I am briefing, all the details. Now we have to solve. So when this moment comes in, right? When this moment comes in from 0 to 5 volt, so what will happen? The capacitor will try to maintain its current, right? Like maintain its voltage. So if it is 5 volt, so this terminal will suddenly goes to 3 volt. Okay, understood? So that it will remain 2 volt across it. Okay, so what will happen? So if I draw it, and what will happen after t greater than minus infinity and less than 0? So it is actually open, right? DC here is 0. Now what do you think? What will be the voltage here? Because the DC, this V in is 0, right? Like at this time duration. So if this is my like 0 volt, so it should be minus 2 volt. Okay, so this node voltage will be minus 2 volt. So you can think of this. So it will be minus 2 volt V output. Okay, and this is 0 comma 0 point. Okay, so it will be minus 2 volt. Yeah. Now after from minus 2 volt, it will jumps to 3 volt instantly. Okay, because the input is getting 5 volts, so this node must go to 3 volt positive. Okay, so it will try to, it will not try, it will go to 3 volt. Okay, it will be 3 volt. Now what will happen after that? So now we have to check what is the region of this MOSFET. So ultimately what will happen at t equals infinity? So ultimately the capacitor will be fully charged, right? So the plus here and minus here, this will be 5 volt for sure. So if it is 5 volt, your output should go to 0. Okay, that is the intuition. Okay, because the capacitor will be fully charged. So if this is 5 volts, it should be 0 volt, so that it will charge to 5 volt in this way. Okay, so okay, I am drawing the circuit again. So it is 3 volt here. Across the capacitor, it is having 2 volt, that is happy, and here you have 5 volt. Okay, now what is the region? So what is your VGS here? Capital VGS, it will be this voltage, right? And this is 5 volt. What is your threshold voltage? Threshold voltage is 1 volt. And what is your VDS? Your VDS is how much? 3 volt itself, right? So you have to check what is the region of the MOSFET. So I can see that your VGS minus VTN is 4 volt and your VDS is 3 volt. So it is less, right? So it will be in the triode region, okay? So triode. So it will act as nothing but a resistance, right? So if I redraw the circuit, it will act as a resistance, okay, in the triode region. So now it's become normal like a high pass filter. So this node must have go to the zero for a sufficient time, like at the very high time, you can tell, right? Yeah. So what will happen? So it will discharge. So how it will discharge? That is the question. It will discharge linearly or it will be exponential? That is the question, okay? So as it is a first order circuit, so it will be for sure exponential, okay? So into it we can write, so from 3 volt it will be discharging exponentially to 0. Okay, and that time you can also comment on the finding the C into R1, right? The time constant of the circuit, that C and this R1, okay? So that is how we can approach to the solution. And another famous question is this, but with different thing. Let's say everything is same, but now I am making your output is not 5, it is 4, okay? And it is having let's say plus minus 1 volt, okay? So now this question can be solved by this, but here will be only one difference. So when it is coming 4 volt, it will goes to 3 volt, okay? And let's say your threshold voltage is 2 volt, okay, for assumption, okay, for assumption. Now what will happen? So you can see your VDS will be 3 volt and your V overdrive will be nothing but VGS minus VTN, it will be 2 volt, okay? So you can see your MOS will suddenly goes to in the saturation region, okay? So it will jump to 3 volt, correct? Yeah. So it will goes to saturation region. So here up to a certain point, what we'll see, so it will act as just like a constant current source, right? In the saturation. So in this thing, the discharging, like this node will try to, like this capacitor will try to charge linearly, right? So that this node will go decrease, this V out node go to decreasing in the linear way, okay? So you will find this will goes to in the in a linear fashion. But up to when that this MOS goes into triode region. So at which point it will goes to triode region having these specifications. So your V overdrive is 2 volt, correct? So up to 2 volt it will be in the saturation, okay? But after that it will again it become in the linear region, then it will act as R1 here, and again it will discharge exponentially, okay? So this is a very interesting question. Again you can give it that, okay, so any other voltage, if you have this, now let's say this is plus and this is minus, okay, and that is again maybe 2 volt for the first case. You have a 0 to 5 volt of step and you have to plot this V out. So at this condition you will find this kind of nature, okay? So you can verify it, okay? Yeah. So here the trick is the MOS region will changes. You have to take care of that, and accordingly the wave shape of this V out will change, okay? And that is a famous question. You can find this question from Rajabi sir's book, okay? Probably I don't, it can be in the chapter 2 or chapter 3, okay? Yeah. Okay, thank you.